Hello there, Data Recovery Guru here. Hope all is well. Today we are working on this Maxtor hard drive. It's coming out of this Maxtor enclosure. It looks like this. It's an old enclosure. Typically this have issues with the power cord, or sometimes the customers confuse the power cords, plug in the wrong one, and they fry the electronics. This is likely what happened with this one. So if you look at the notes, customer is from Chestnut Hill. This is basically Boston, Massachusetts. They wanted us to do the free diagnostic that's ready within 48 hours, and they wanted our staff to come pick it up for free. We did. We picked it up. We went to the customer's location, picked it up. Customer says that hard drive does not turn on, would like to recover the files, back up, and load to the cloud, as well as a new installer drive. All right, no passwords. They're looking for family pictures. So here's the hard drive. Typically, like I said, there's an indication that when the hard drive is not spinning and it doesn't make any kind of noises whatsoever, whether it's beeping, clicking, and so on, no noises where the hard drive spins, that typically is an indication of electronics issue. So we removed the hard drive from the enclosure, and then we took the multimeter here and we started probing around in diode mode and testing to see which diodes were damaged, which resistors, poked around the 12 volt and the 5 volt lines to see which components were damaged. And the following were damaged. Let me show them to you. Okay, here are the damaged diodes and resistors. We removed them under the microscope using fumes vents over here and this JBC soldering station. By the way, that SCSI drive I was telling you about, this guy here, you see what I mean when it's running into disk surface errors? That's reading errors right there. See? Unrecovered read error. Anyway, it's cloning pretty well. Should be good recovery. Okay, so we connected the drive here. Always remember, on the PATA drives, the yellow cord here on the MOLES connector is always on the outside. Never put this in by mistake and power on, because you're going to fry the electronics, all right? So here I have the drive connected. We have the 12 volt and the 5 volt monitor here. We're going to power on. Let's see, does it look good? Yes, it does. Well, we have already did some preliminary testing with the multimeter and everything is good. So yeah, so the drive is spinning now good. Now, as you can see, the status register looks good, waiting for commands. Let's see, can we scan and access data? Yes, you can. Correct model number, correct capacity, looks good. Let's do a quick scan. All right, normal wear and tear, looks good. If you need help, you can find us at datarecoveryguru.com.